How to prune a bush. Preparation and tools needed. Pruning shear, protective eyeglasses, cap, protection from sun, newspaper, or cloth. First, you must wear safety goggles for your eyes. If you don't want to vacuum, you can use a newspaper, cloth, or bag under the plant to collect clippings. Picture the shape in your mind first. Remove branches oddly sticking out. You can use automatic scissors, electric trimmers, or any manual ones until you have more control. Start clipping your ideal shape. To help with shaping, you can put a thread, ribbon, or other coloring on the bush to outline the shape you want to cut along. Start pruning from one spot and follow the shape all around top to bottom. When finished pruning, stand farther away and evaluate your shape. Adjust it as needed. When you're almost done, check to make sure nothing is left. Collect your clippings and throw them out when you're finished. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comment section and we'll do our best to answer. Leave any other tips, comments, or suggestions in the comment section below so that we can all learn and grow as a community together. Thank you for watching.